Hey everyone, welcome back to Globry Digital Innovation, where we dive into the coolest digital tools and the latest in AI technology. Today we're diving into Remaker AI, an AI-driven tool that lets users effortlessly swap faces between two images with impressive realism. This tool has gained popularity for creating realistic, entertaining face swaps without requiring advanced editing skills. Here is your step-by-step guide for using Remaker AI to swap faces. Upload your source image. This is the image with the face you want to use for the swap. Click Upload and select your file. Upload your target image now. Upload the image where you want to place the new face. Click the Swap button. Once both images are uploaded, hit the Swap button to start the process. This usually only takes a few seconds. Download the swapped image. After the AI completes the swap, click Download to save your new image to your device. Your image is ready. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep creating, keep editing, and we'll see you in the next video.